So hello guys, so our group Tech Questers is making an IoT project based on an object detection module. So basically the equipment that we are using are as follows. First we have the ESP32CAM board, which you can see here. It is an 32-bit powered CPU board which can handle and process RGB images. It also has an inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. So the next equipment that we are using is the ESP32 programming board. It is used for programming our ESP32 board. It gets attached in this way and we can connect it via USB and program it through our Arduino software using our laptop or PC. Now we have the battery, which is used for powering the ESP32 board and make the ESP32 board portable and wireless. We have a switch. Next we have a charging kit, which will be helpful for charging our lithium ion battery, followed by some jumper wires that will make interconnection between the electronic components. So next, let's jump straight to the programming part. So now let's start the programming. So we will take the ESP32 board and attach it to the programming module like this way and connect it via USB and connect it to our PC. Now let's jump to our Arduino software. After connecting like this, we'll jump straight to our Arduino software for the program. So after establishing the connection, we will jump straight to the programming part. We will load our program file here, which we have taken from GitHub, provided by a username @user code from GitHub. So let's upload the code and set our password and Wi-Fi name for our ESP32 to be connected. ESP32 board to our PC. We will upload this code. But first we have to select our COM port so that we upload it to our ESP32 board. We'll go here and select our board. We'll click here. After that, select board and port. So our ESP32's name is AI Thinker ESP32CAM. We'll select this, and the COM port that is used for uploading the code is COM port 5, serial port, COM serial port 5. Okay, we'll select this and click on OK. After that, we'll have to change the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. So let me do it fast. So let's start uploading. So now you can clearly see that the code is being uploaded. So after the code has been uploaded, we will open the serial monitor for the IP address so that we can open it via our browser. So we can see that the code has been uploaded. Now you can see the IP address has been generated for us. Can you please zoom it? See, this is our IP address. We can copy it and open it in our browser. Now let me show you a demo. I'll select this IP address from here. Now let me open it to my browser. So after generating the IP, we will open it through our browser. So let's type the IP here. The IP that was generated was 192.168.81.81. After typing the IP, we'll open it. Inside it will look kind of this way. So we'll start the camera, start detect. Now see, the video has been opened and it has started detecting our cell phone and laptop. You can see it here, cell phone and laptop.